Well, this is interesting. Yesterday, Gamealarm sent me a message on YouTube. Said he had found a detector at the Goodwill. He said it looked like a GE8201 series, but it had line cord power and a battery backup. So he told me to send him a message, so here it is. So he can send me some pictures. So let's go to that. When he sends me a picture of it. He said it looked like one. I might have an idea of what it might have looked like, because there is one that I saw on Google Books that kind of had the look of a GE. Okay, I just heard this thing ping. Now why I have that there is to censor the number. Oh, dang it. Oh my gosh, it is one of these things. Holy crap. Oh, and they do look like that. It's the first good picture of these I've ever seen, one of these. Because when he said it resembled a GE, I immediately thought of this one. I like how that looks like the Probe logo too. But anyway, you can see that. And at first I thought it was just, artifacting from the scan. But no. See, Powerlifting Science, November 1977. I mentioned this in today's version of the eBay video, or today's whatever installment for my eBay video. Anyway, let's see. Oh, it's a photoelectric one. Because there's the light bulb. There's your horn. There's some remote controls. At the back of it. I'm not sure if there's a model number or not. Oh my gosh, it is one of these things. I have two of these. It beeps on and off continuously. It could be a pulsating sound. Oh, yes! Yes, I want it. I just replied. So, yep. And then he replied to me too. Let's see if I can do this without. Here we go. Awesome. So, expect a video on it when I get it. And let's hope he'll make a video of the one he keeps. But, obviously, I'm really excited. One final update. He just texted me there that he had sent it, and that's a shipping label. So there's my reply. So, hopefully he'll upload a video of it